Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for joining. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads. Thank you for all my past return subscribers for continually supporting me. I really do appreciate it. So today's DIY is going to be very simple, and it's just going to be some centerpieces that you can use at any special event such as a wedding, baby shower, or what have you. So you're going to need 2 of those geometric mirrors, 2 20-ounce wine glasses. You will need some of these beautiful gems here that I picked up from Hobby Lobby in the His and Hers collection. And you will need some flowers. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, as well as a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So if you have all of those supplies, you guys, then I think that we're ready to start our DIY. So moving these gems to the side, we're going to grab our geometric mirror first. Make sure that it is clear of fingerprints or whatnot. And you can do that by using a little bit of alcohol or vinegar or just glass cleaner. So you want to cut loose one whole stem from your flower bouquet, and then you want to take off a piece of the flower, a single flower with no stem. So the stem piece, you want to give it a slight twirl so it looks similar to this, and it's optional whether or not you want to glue it down to your geometric mirror or not. I chose to glue mine down, so it's best if you put the glue on the vine. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to just press it down on my mirror. Just like so, give it a little press and it should stand erect without any problems. Alright, once you have it firm on your mirror, we want to now add a single flower. You can choose an alternative color if you choose to. I'm going to stick with the same color theme. And so I'm just going to take a single flower without the stem, and I'm going to glue it down right below the erected flower. Very simple. Apply pressure to the mirror and it should adhere without any issues. And voila, you should have a cute little piece like that. We're going to set it to the side though, and now start working with our 20-ounce wine glass. So the idea of this is to repurpose something for a budget-friendly centerpiece. So we're going to use the 20-ounce wine glass and turn it upside down. So we want the bottom portion to be our now top portion. So I'm going to embellish it with these acrylic gems here. And I'm just going to use some hot glue on to the sides. You guys, you can use some E6000 if you choose to, but I find that hot glue works just fine. And not only that, it's not really permanent, semi-permanent. So once the event is over, you can pop these off and peel off the glue and reuse them. So it's a great way to still save and not have to overspend using these acrylic gems, you guys. So apply the glue to the rim and apply the gems. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, you guys, this is how gorgeous it looks. It's really pretty, don't you think? So you should have a top now that well, what once was a bottom but is now a top. It should look just like that, and it's simple as that, you guys. That is all you truly need to do to create this centerpiece. So now we're just going to sit our wine glass down over the flowers on the mirror glass. Now it's up to you guys if you want to glue that wine glass down. You can add a little bit of glue to the rim, bottom rim of the wine glass, and then sit it down, and it won't be mobile. But I chose not to do that, and it works just fine. So I'm just showing you guys from the top of a top angle of what it looks like. And you can absolutely add a pillar candle, a small pillar candle, which I did not have, or some tea lights. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks with some added small miniature tea lights to it. But I do recommend a small pillar in place. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I hope that you was inspired by this very simple and cute DIY that you can place as centerpieces on an event table that you may be having. It's also perfect for budget-friendly wedding decor as well. Alright, so if you did agree and like this DIY, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with everyone. And if you have not yet subscribed, I invite you again to click that subscribe button down below. I hope to see you guys in the next video really soon. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye bye.